take that beautiful story that you just shared, or anyone who is a speaker, a presenter, an entrepreneur, speaking story, I'd like to do something with it that takes it to another level where it becomes even more impactful. I'll show you what I mean. So you've just shared a point up here, that the point is life happens. One of the messages from that story. And that message, or that point, or that point of view, that policy, that principle, that was beautifully demonstrated by the example you just gave. So this is my P formula, P, E, A, this little triangle. The A is often missing from even some of the best speakers when the speakers present the point and the example, a good story. Yet what's often missing is, and you are giving an example, but I have a feeling you could take it even further, the application. What's in it from the audience's point of view, WIIFM. So you take that beautiful story here that punctuates the point, life happens. What would the application be that is gripping for audiences, that some form of interaction and connection with audiences that can take this story even further in what I call this cycle of communication, point, example, application? How can you take that further to reach people even more powerfully with such a powerful lesson that happened? I'm curious. Talk to me about that.